Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine. Friend, see on the road.
Right, son.
Friend, how much garbage are on the road?
Yes, friend, you are saying right.
By this friend, I have a question.
Yes, what is the question?
Should we throw garbage on road or not?
Friend, we should not throw garbage on the road.
But why, friend? Why do you think like this?
Because, friend, if we throw garbage on the road, then people can sleep on the road.
And friend, I agree with you. We should not throw garbage on road because our earth can be polluted by by these garbage, and we know that the pollution is very high. What do you think?
Friend, right, son. Friend, tell me about more it.
Friend, if we throw garbage on road, then mosquitoes can be attacked, and we will be attacked by the disease.
Yes, action. Yes, friend, you are right. You are saying right. And if we throw garbage, then we can also we can also um, we can also action. We can be affected.
But how can we clean the garbage?
First of all, we should not throw garbage on the road, and we should have to clean the road. Action.
And friend, we should throw garbage on in dustbin. And tell me about it more.
Friend, we should always clean the road, and we should not throw garbage on the road. Action. Thank you, friend, to tell me about it.
Okay, friend, let's go to house. It is very dirty now.
Yes, friend, let's go.